welcome back. So now we're going to make this in Tinker. You hold down your mouse and then this car guy follows your mouse wherever you make it go. Let's start. First, let's get a new one. Blank block coding. And let's wait for Cody. Okay, we're gonna delete Cody again. We don't need him. Let's add an actor. You can go to Character Builder or Media Library. I think I'll just go to Media Library. It's the best thing for me. I don't know if I can choose, but you can choose any one you want. Most likely not the ones with costumes like this gorilla and lizard. You might want to choose something that doesn't have a costume, like maybe a car. Let's search. Let's see, I think I'll just choose one of these ones. This one's way too big. There. Now let's add a background. Racetrack, I guess. Oh, there's no. Let's see. There's. Maybe we can do this one. This was good. Yeah, let's just do this one. Desert. See, it's all like this. Okay, now we need to add some code for this backpack. I've already got one. It's right here. I'm gonna explain the blocks. Again, just like you need to, you can search for blocks. There's when mouse occurs. Well, I can't really find it, but you need this one. It's called when occurs, and then you have to find this right here, when false occurs. But instead, you have to put down mouse down here, and there's a question mark, and then repeat while mouse down, and then point towards mouse pointer, and move 10 pixels, and wait 5 seconds. Repeat while mouse down is probably inside of control. It's another loop. I think it'll be this one, maybe. I guess. And let's search for something. I think this one might be where they are. So it's gonna be mouse down. Or it could be in here. You can just match the colors. But anyway, let's get down. This one we don't really need. All you need is when mouse down occurs. Repeat while mouse down loop. Point towards mouse pointer is in motion. Move 10 pixels, that's in motion. And wait 0.05 seconds. Okay, and then when we start, let's see if there's any bugs. No, there aren't any bugs. It was really simple, and let's add some music. Okay. Sound. You have to go to sound. Just leave this in here. Let's add sound. Okay. Let's do something. hot dog line. Oh, it's on. First, maybe I have to move this out of the phone. There. Well, then now it doesn't play. Or we can just get it on start and yeah, put it here. Let's try it. Yeah, now there aren't any bugs. If you wanna like add anything else, this is really easy. And if there's anything that you really need to like, if there's anything you need to keep and you can't keep on like finding the blocks, then there's backpack. Say I need to backpack this, then you open your backpack and then you drag it inside, and it'll always be at the bottom. And if you don't want it, you can just